Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to move section up and down. Let's get started. Take a blank from create the question and section first. Give the title name. Go to right side of the form and create the section. Click the add section Now click the drop down menu from section and click the move section and move your section up and down and click save. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.